Hello everybody. I will show you today how to repair air conditioning board. This is from Daikin units, ductless mini split, 5 units. The error code is EU4. So the EU4, it means there's no communication between indoor units and outdoor unit. It's the standby supply. It's in short circuit some diode. I can show you the diode number D5, diode D5. You just replace this bad component and then the board will come alive again. Okay, it's a simple service. If you know how to repair, or some components, so it's easy to repair this main board from AC unit, ductless mini split, mode split. Okay, see you again next time.